Are you feeling overwhelmed by debt and looking for a way out? Today we'll uncover powerful debt management strategies that can turn your financial situation around. Stay with us, because our final tip might just change how you view and manage debt forever. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're new here, we're all about helping you take control of your finances, and today we're tackling debt. Specifically, how to manage and reduce it effectively. Stick around until the end for a game-changing strategy that's helped many people regain financial freedom. First thing first, why is managing debt so crucial? Debt can quickly spiral out of control, leading to stress and financial instability. But with the right strategies, you can take control of your debt and start working towards financial freedom. Managing debt isn't just about paying it off. It's about creating a plan that works for your financial situation and goals. Step 1 is to know your debt. Make a list of all your debts, including the amount owed, interest rates, and minimum payments. This gives you a clear picture of your financial obligations and helps you prioritize which debts to tackle first. Understanding your debt is the first step towards creating an effective repayment plan. Next, create a debt repayment plan. There are two popular methods: the debt avalanche and the debt snowball. The debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money in the long run, while the debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, giving you quick wins and motivation. Choose the method that works best for you and stick to it. Step 3. Consider consolidating your debt. This means combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. It simplifies your payments and can reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. Debt consolidation isn't for everyone, so make sure to research your options and consult a financial advisor if needed. Step 4 is to negotiate with your creditors. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. Many creditors are willing to work with you if you're struggling to make payments. You can negotiate for lower interest rates, reduced payments, or even debt settlement. Remember, a simple phone call can make a big difference in managing your debt. Lastly, avoid taking on new debt. It's important to change your spending habits and live within your means. Create a budget, track your expenses, and focus on saving money to prevent future debt. The goal is to break the cycle of debt and build a strong financial foundation. And now, for our game-changing strategy, consider using the debt snowflake method. This involves making small, frequent payments whenever you have extra money, like from a side gig or selling items you no longer need. These small payments add up over time and can significantly reduce your debt faster than you'd expect. So there you have it, effective strategies to manage and reduce your debt. By knowing your debt, creating a repayment plan, consolidating, negotiating, and avoiding new debt, you can take control of your financial future. If you haven't seen our previous videos on building an emergency fund, how to save money effectively, and creating a budget, be sure to check them out for more foundational tips. And stay tuned for our next video on understanding credit scores. It's essential for managing your debt and overall financial health. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.